In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up account email notifications on Stripe. Let's get started by navigating to Stripe's official website. Simply enter stripe.com in your preferred web browser and you'll be taken to their homepage. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button in the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your account. Make sure you enter the correct details to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your credentials, click on the sign in button right below the input fields. This will take you directly to your Stripe dashboard. If this is your first time using Stripe, or if you've updated your password, you might be prompted to confirm your identity. Just follow any on-screen instructions to complete this process. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Now let's look towards the top right corner where you'll see a small bell icon. This icon represents notifications in your Stripe dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will drop down and among the options you should see something that says View Preferences. Click on that to proceed to the Notification Preferences page. Once you're on the Communication Preferences page, you'll see a list of different types of notifications that you can enable or disable. This allows you to choose which specific alerts you would like to receive via email. It could be updates about your transactions, account changes, or any important announcements from Stripe. Carefully review the available options and enable the ones that fit your needs. It's a good idea to select everything that you think is critical for your business operations, ensuring you never miss an important update. After you've made your selections, take a moment to double check your choices. This is key to maintaining the flow of communication you prefer. If everything looks good, most platforms automatically save your preferences, but it doesn't hurt to see if there's a save or confirm button somewhere on the page, just to be sure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your email notifications on Stripe. This process ensures that you're always in the loop with all of your account activities and updates. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you better manage your Stripe notifications. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Have a great day and happy